Learn English. Take your course book. We have already completed 3 chapters. Today we are going to learn a 4th chapter. Okay, take your course book. Open page number 26. Okay, the name of the lesson is The Petting Zoo. Petting means pet animals, which, okay, where the zoo is here in the story, only the pet animals will be there. So regarding that, we are going to see a story here. Okay, this is for your homework. Make your own zoo. Make a list of animals you want in your zoo. Draw where you want to keep each animals. Also draw 3 other things that will keep the animals happy, healthy in the zoo. Okay, you have to draw whichever animals you want. You have to draw a cage for them, and you can also draw some trees which makes happy to animals. Okay, so let's see this lesson. Okay, do you like going to the zoo? Read about Sarah's and Pim's day in a zoo. Okay, do you like to go to zoo, right, everyone? So here also Sarah and Pim are planning to go to zoo. Meow, said Pim and jumped on Sarah's bed. Pim means cat. Okay, Sarah is having a one pet cat. Okay. Meow, said Pim and jumped on Sarah's bed. The cat, early in the morning, the cat comes to Sarah's bed and it jumped into the bed. Okay, that means good morning. Here cat is saying meow, that means good morning. Sarah threw off the covers and sat up sleepily. Means she wake up and she throw the covers, means a blanket, the sheet that you put over yourself in the bed, okay, which we covers. So that she threw that cover side and sat up sleepily. Means she wake up and she's sitting in lazy mode, like sleepy mode. Meow, said Pim again and nudged Sarah with her nose. Means nudged means pushed gently in order to get her attention. Means that Pim is gently nudged her, means pushing her to wake up her, okay, with her nose. That means hurry up, we have to go to zoo. Means here that Pim is pushing Sarah, means get up, hurry up, get ready, we will go to zoo. Okay. Sarah said, oh yes Pim, we are going to the zoo. Then she said, yeah, today we are going to zoo with mom and dad. With mom and dad we are going to zoo. We will spend the whole day at the petting zoo. So they are with the mom and dad, they are going to zoo. They are going to spend whole day, full day they are going to be there at the petting zoo. Means petting zoo means only domestic animals will be there. Petting means patting an animal affectionately, means touching the animals with affectionately. They won't harm you. That are pet animals. Okay. Sarah loved the petting zoo. She liked to play with the animals and pet them. Sarah loved the petting zoo. She loves petting zoo and she liked to play with the animals and pet them. Pet them means with a touching with affectionately, or else she can bring that one any animal to maintain. Okay. The zoo was close to her home, that is very near to her home. It had sheep, goats, cows, ducks. Okay, sheep, goats, cow, horse, ducks, hens, camels, and donkey. Okay, which animals are there in that zoo? Sheep, goats, cow, horses, ducks, hens, camels, and donkey. There were rabbits, white mice, and pigs. Okay, hamsters and parrot. So many domestic animals are there in that zoo. Hamsters means a small animal that looks like a mouse without tail, with no tail. Okay, it similarly looks like a mouse, but there is no tail for that mouse. Okay. When they reached the zoo, Sarah and Pim ran up to the zookeeper cabin. When they went to zoo, they soon ran to the zookeeper cabin. The one person who maintains that zoo, they went and they are asked to meet Sibu. Sibu is the guide. Underline this, okay? Sibu, the guide. Okay, here the person He is a guide. Guide means a person who shows people around. Means he will explain what is there in the zoo. Okay, he is called guide. Okay. Shibu knew everything about the animals. He told the child what the animals ate and how they played. He also helped the children make friends with the animals. Shibu knows everything. That guide knows each and everything about all animals. Means he told children what they eat, how they play, how they make. He also helped the child make friends with the animals. He usually explains where to touch, where not to touch, means how to be close with the animals. He explains each and everything. Okay. So okay, turn the page. Here you can see here. This person is Shibu, Sarah, and Pim. Okay. See, she is holding her cat, Pim. Here in the zoo, there are parrots, hamster, mice, rabbits, donkey, camel, sheep, goat, cow, and horse. Okay, so many animals she visited there. She can touch that animal, she can feed. Here you can see she is feeding to that animal. Okay, last two lines. Sarah liked to go around the zoo with Shibu. She likes to go with him. Pim would run beside them and travel on his shoulder. Usually Pim also like surrounding, and he also interested to watch all animals. Look at everything that Sarah and Pim did that day. Here you can look what the whole day they did. Okay, hope you enjoyed this lesson. Okay, all of you do this homework. Okay, thank you.